Question number 151. Select the mismatch, and the very first match given is scapula, and the match is situated in between 2nd to 7th ribs, and as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Scapula, which is a part of pectoral girdle, is situated in between 2nd to 7th ribs in human. The next option is ball and socket joint, and the match given is humerus and pectoral girdle, and as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because humerus form a ball and socket joint with pectoral girdle. The next option is rib cage, and the match given is formed by vertebrae, ribs and sternum, and as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because rib cage consists of what? Ventral sternum, dorsal vertebrae column and laterally ribs. The last match given is pelvic girdle, and the match is articulates with thigh bone at pubic symphysis, and as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, this is pubic symphysis at which two coxal bones are attached. On the other hand, thigh bone articulates with pelvic girdle in a cup-shaped depression known as acetabulum and form ball and socket joint. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 152. Innermost meninx is found invested on or in, and the options are white matter of brain, grey matter of brain, between dura mater and arachnoid, and grey matter of spinal cord. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, grey matter of brain. As we know, white matter is surrounded by grey matter in brain. This is white matter surrounded by grey matter, and the innermost meninx, which is pia mater, is invested on this grey matter of brain. As you can see here, this is pia mater and it is invested on this grey matter of brain. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option is white matter of brain, and this is an incorrect option. As we have already seen, the innermost pia mater is invested on grey matter of brain. The next option is between dura mater and arachnoid, and this is an incorrect option. Dura mater, which is the outermost meninx, and arachnoid matter is the middle meninx, and this is an incorrect option. And the last option is grey matter of spinal cord, and this is also an incorrect option because in spinal cord, grey matter is surrounded by white matter, and the innermost meninx, pia mater, is invested on white matter of spinal cord. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 153. Read the following sentences and select the correct option given below. And the very first statement is statement A. Neurons are structural and functional unit of neural tissue which can generate, detect and transmit different kinds of stimuli, and this is an incorrect statement because neurons are structural and functional unit of neural tissue. This is correct, but they cannot generate. They can only receive or detect and transmit different kinds of stimuli. Which stimuli? Threshold stimuli. So neurons cannot generate stimuli. The next statement given is statement B. Schwann cells form both myelin sheath and neuralema around axons in PNS, and this is a correct statement. Schwann cells are the neuroglial cells which are responsible for the formation of myelin sheath in myelinated nerve fibers and neuralema around axons in PNS. Let's discuss the options. The very first option is both statement A and B are correct, and this is an incorrect option. Both statement A and B are incorrect. This is an incorrect option. A is correct and B is incorrect. This is an incorrect option. And the last option is A is incorrect and B is correct. And as it is a correct option, so this is a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 154. Match column A with column B on the basis of structure and their function and select the correct option. And the very first option given is eustachian tube. And we know that eustachian tube connects nasopharynx with tympanic cavity to equalize pressure on either side of eardrum or tympanic membrane. So A in column 1 goes with B in column 2. So 1 goes with B in column B. The next option given is vestibular apparatus, and it is responsible for maintaining the balance. So 2 in column A goes with D option in column B. Vestibular apparatus contains crista and macula, responsible for dynamic and static equilibrium respectively. So 2 goes with D in column B. The next option is rods, and rods are the photopigment cells which are responsible for scotopic vision. So 3 in column A goes with A in column B. Rods contains photopigment rhodopsin for scotopic vision. So 3 goes with A. And the last option given is cones, and cones are responsible for photopic vision. So fourth option in column A goes with C option. Cones contains visual pigment iodopsin for photopic vision. So fourth option goes with option number C in column B. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, B, D, A and C. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 155. Which of the following statement is incorrect for hormones? And the very first statement is they are non-nutrient chemicals. And as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because hormones are non-nutrient chemicals and are also considered as intercellular messengers, and they act on their target cells through specific receptors. So the second statement, considered as intercellular messengers, is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. And third statement, that act only on their target cells through receptor, is also a correct statement and cannot be a correct answer to our question. The last statement given is fat-soluble hormones act through secondary messengers, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question, because fat-soluble hormones or steroid hormones, they act through intracellular receptors. They can directly pass through the plasma membrane and binds to intracellular receptor, and this hormone receptor complex then reaches nucleus and can alter the gene expression. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.